Hey, I'm Hannah.
I'm Abby.
And we are in a parking lot, as you can see. And we have some silly string. And we're going to silly string a random person's car. So, yeah. Well, we're going to get out of the car now, so hold on. Wait. So we are in the parking lot. There's people. They're right there. There's people right there, but we're going to spray paint, or spray silly string this car. Really?
Oh my.
Really? It's not working.
Just get.
Alright, here we go.
This red truck person come
Go, hurry. Alright, we're going. Alright, so we just spray painted that truck that's beside us, but it was on the other side, so you can't see, but yeah. But the man was coming, so we had to stop and run, so I cut the video off. But we're still in the parking lot. I think we're about to go get more silly string. Right, Abby?
Yeah.
As you can see the money. So we might go get some more and then do some more cars, because it's hilarious. So, we'll be back. Alright, so we decided not to get some more silly string, so we're gonna, oops.
Whatever, the window.
We're going to, we got an air horn, and we're going to, like, what do you call it, push it down, like, really hard, and it's gonna make a really loud noise. Really loud noise, it said loud. It's gonna make a really loud noise. We're gonna, like, dunk and hide, and then Abby's gonna push it. So,
situate.
I'm gonna record her when she gets situated. She's not situated right now.
Ready?
Alright, here we go. Go, Abby, go. Go, Abby.
There's a lady.
Abby, I don't care. I want to get someone's reaction. Oh, God. Wait.
Ready?
Yes. I don't. No one's. Oh, wait. That old lady. Go. Hold on, I don't know if I can zoom in. Okay, I have the camera. Just go. Just keep zooming. Do it again. Do it again. Louder.
Oh, fucking crap.
It's not loud. Hold it in place.
I lost it.
Go.
Ready?
Go. Go.